And baby, we can talk all night, but that ain't getting us nowhere. The rain is really pouring down outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. It's pouring outside. La-dee. Wait, that's not the song. No, what is the song? It's looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired until the day I met Weesanie and Dr. E. Vales. Your love was my piece of Missy Charlie. 'Cause Missy Charlie, Cousin Missy makes me feel like a natural woman. Missy makes you feel like a natural woman? Yeah, I guess so. What's up, people? What's up, BOOZHOO crew? Gimme one. It is raining. Agua ching. It is raining outside. And, thought we'd just do an early morning, rainy morning live stream podcast. So without further ado, here's an intro song. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe. Wayndom G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Neiman Wayndom G-A-I-on Omanungum. I'm happy to be here today, sweetie.
Are ya?
Yep. I mean, where else am I going to be? You know, on the streets.
You could be out on the streets.
Nope. I'd rather be here doing the show, teaching some Ojibwe, teaching some Ojibwe culture. That's all I wanted to say.
Yep.
Hey, Queen Elizabeth died, huh?
Yeah, she sure did.
Long live the Queen! God save the Queen! Get your money due. And another one's gone, another one's gone, another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you due, another one bites the dust.
No.
Do. Do you really think she's really dead?
Yeah, I think this time it's a real death.
You don't think she faked it and just went over to the other side of the ice wall? Go live with David Bowie?
No, I think she's started her journey. She's probably in heaven right now watching our show.
You think so?
Maybe. Hold on a second. Somebody's calling. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I'm sorry, who? Really? Yeah, sure. You can be on the show. Yeah, hang on. I'll transfer you. Sweetie, Queen Elizabeth is online, too.
I thought she died.
Well, she's online, too.
No. BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. How can I help you?
Hello, love.
Queen Elizabeth, I thought you died.
Oh, that's right. I died yesterday. I'm calling from heaven, as it were.
Oh, you're calling, sweetie, she's calling from heaven.
Oh, hey, Queen. I'm so glad you made it to heaven.
Oh, it was a lovely journey, it was. Yesterday, I left me boaty, and I floated up to the sky. And I came up here, and now I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven, love.
Well, that's great. What's heaven like?
Oh, you know, it's pretty much what you think. There's lots and lots of clouds, and there's the pearly gates, and I saw David Bowie.
You saw David Bowie? See, I knew David Bowie was dead.
Oh, really? What's David Bowie doing up there?
Oh, he's singing. It's lovely. You want to talk to David Bowie?
Sure, we'll talk to David Bowie.
Oh, David Bowie, won't you come here, love? They want you to be on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
All right, Queen Mum. Hello, this is David Bowie.
Well, hi, David. This is Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Oh, hello, Natasha. What can I do for you?
Well, we were just talking to the Queen, and she mentioned that you guys are up in heaven.
That's right. Well, we're having a jolly good time here in heaven.
Well, that's great. Can you kind of look out for her? You know, she's new up there.
Oh yes, I certainly will. I'll I'm thinking I might have her sing backup on one of my songs.
Oh, you're still writing songs?
Well, that's right. I like to write songs in heaven.
Well, that's great. Well, yeah, great. So keep your eye on her. Make sure she, finds her way around.
I sure will. Say, Natasha.
Yeah?
What's the Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, today is Friday, and on Friday we call it the 5th day. So today is Nano-Geezha-Good.
Nano-Geezha-Good, the 5th day.
That's right.
Oh, that's lovely. But yes, I certainly will keep my eye on her. I think we're going to have a spot of tea.
Oh, we're going to have a spot of tea, David.
Oh, that's right, Queen. Listen, Natasha, I should get going and put some water on for tea.
Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for talking to us, David. I'll see you again. Giga Wabba Min, Mina Wa.
Well, Giga Wabba Min, Mina Wa, Natasha.
Oh, hello. Hi, Queen. Oh, that's right. It's me, the Queen Mum of England.
Say, so yeah, it sounds like you're settling in pretty good at heaven. David said he might want you to sing on backup on one of his songs.
Oh, that's right. I'm going to be sick. I'll be a spider from Mars.
Yeah, you could be one of the spiders from Mars. So anyway, I'm not sure what to say.
Do you want to tell her that you're sorry that she's dead?
Well, I mean, she was 97, and now she's in heaven. Sorry you're dead, sorta.
Oh, it's all right, love. I'm up in heaven.
Oh, that's great.
And, Natasha,
Yeah?
you know, I'm just going to wait up here. I don't believe in saying goodbye. Because I believe we'll all see each other again.
You know, that's what we believe, too.
So how does one say, I will see you again in Ojibwe?
Well, we say, Gee-ga-wabba min, minawa.
Geekawaba men, Minawa, love.
You too, Queen. Yeah, Gigawaba men, Minoa, Queen. Have fun in heaven.
Oh, you too, love. Geekawaba men, Minawa.
Okay. We'll see you, Queen. The Queen of England. Long rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth. The last great Queen of Great Britain. Or whatever. Yep. Now reigns the evil King. What's his name? Charles. King Charles. King Charles of the Royal Crown. Gigawabamin. Mina. So yeah, so that's in the news. Yep. What else is in the news? Let's see. I think I saw Britney Spears was on a yacht.
Britney Spears went on a boat ride. And the Queen died. I think a big storm's coming to California.
Yeah, that's what I hear. They're going to get like a year's worth of rain in a day or two or something.
That's nuts. They're going to wash away California. I wish we all could leave California now.
Yeah, that was hilarious, wasn't it?
Yeah. I saw a video yesterday. They were talking about California. And they were showing all these videos of all the homeless tent cities and people pooping in the streets. And the guys were singing, I wish we all could leave California now. It's like, yeah. I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to live in California.
California.
Yeah. But we're up here in sunny Minnesota.
Yeah.
Looking out. Gimme one. We gimme one. It will rain today. We gimme one. Noongoom. It will rain today. Today's weather report is brought to you by Muckety Mushkiki Waboo. When you want to drink black medicine water, in Ojibwe you would call it Muckety Mushkiki Waboo. The best part of waking up is black medicine water in your cup. You know.
I do.
Anywho, so what we got going on today, sweetie? Anybody else calling in besides dead people in heaven?
Nope.
Do you think heaven really is like she says?
What do you mean, clouds and pearly gates?
Yeah.
I kind of doubt it.
You don't believe the Bible?
Does the Bible even describe heaven?
I don't know. I think they say something about streets of gold.
Yeah, gold streets. That's real practical.
Yeah. Well, they made streets, and then they paved the streets, the tar streets, with gold. Because God has lots of money.
Yeah, he's very rich.
And pearly gates. That makes it sound like it's pearly, like they're white.
Yep. Like a picket fence.
A picket fence. In picket fence, or pearly gates, streets of gold, clouds, harps. Do you suppose David Bowie's writing songs on a harp?
Probably. Or do they have guitars in heaven?
I know they have guitars in hell.
Yeah.
That seems like a hellish, like, but only electric guitars. I think there's acoustic guitars and cellos in heaven.
I think there's all the instruments in heaven.
Yeah, you're probably right. I like our theories on the happy hunting grounds.
Yeah.
You ever heard NanaBOOZHOO talk about the happy hunting grounds? When I was a little girl, back in the days of the grandfathers, they used to say, oh, Indians, when they die, they go to the happy hunting grounds. But you wonder, it's like, well, happy hunting grounds. So you live a perfect life, you die, wake up, suddenly you're in the woods, heavenly woods. St. Peter's there and he's handing out guns. And he says, don't worry about reloading. This is the happy hunting grounds. You can hunt and hunt and hunt happily. You never have to worry about running out of ammo. Everything you want to shoot will die just right away. You'll be so happy. And so Indians are up there going, hey, oh, I lived a perfect life. Now I can just kill and kill and kill over and over again. Here in the happy hunting grounds.
Yeah.
And then you go, okay, wait. If happy hunting grounds is heaven for Indians, is it hell for, like, deer and buffalo? If you live a sinful life as a buffalo, do you wake up and you're in the happy hunting grounds, only you're being hunted?
Yeah, no kidding.
And who decides which buffalo goes to heaven and which buffalo goes to hell? Or is it the same place? Do all buffalo go to hell? Do all white-tailed deer end up in what we think is heaven, but being hunted by, holy Indians?
Yeah.
Ultimately, I love anything people think they know about heaven. It's like, well, how did you get that information? And I am very interested in people's near-death experiences.
Yeah, those are fascinating, aren't they?
Oh, for sure. I always listen to near-death experiences. If it's like a YouTube video or whatever. That's the only evidence for heaven I take seriously. Anybody else says, well, no, when you get there, you realize there's a stairwell that goes up to heaven. What? Shut up. You don't know. No, it's an escalator. Nobody knows. It's too late once you find out. We'll all know someday. We're either going to be surprised and go, oh, so this is the afterlife? It's not what I expected. Or it's just be lights out and you won't even be able to ask the question of, hey, how come there's no afterlife? Because it'll just be nothing. Or it'll be the most cliched, exactly what you think. You're waiting in line with a bunch of other dead people. There's a guy up there with a big book. He's a Catholic. And he's going, is your name in the book? Yeah, a book. There's a publishing house in heaven. A print shop, if you will. Some of the angels have to run printing presses to make a book. Well, there's streets, so there's also cars and taxi drivers and buses, buildings. Yeah, heaven is a busy metropolitan place, apparently. There's books, streets, harps, guns, Maybe it'll be exactly what you think. But Queen Elizabeth knows now.
You think Queen Elizabeth is really in heaven?
I have no way of knowing. I do kind of think she's a vampire.
What makes you think she's a vampire?
Because she lived so long. Because she's part of the royal family. I don't know. I don't really think that, but I'm open to suggestion. If somebody said, hey, I got evidence that Queen Elizabeth was a transgender vampire, I wouldn't go, what? You're crazy. I'd be like, really? Let's hear your evidence. This is fascinating. You know. But, yeah. Nobody knows what happens when you journey to the other side. What'll it be? What do you guys think? Buddhists like to believe in reincarnation. Well, yeah, you die. Death is inevitable. But you're reborn as a baby. You get to do it all over again. It's like, what? Well, that's some deal. So my soul travels into the body of a fetus and then wipes my memory. That's the weird thing I can't really understand about past lives.
What's that?
In reincarnation.
Yeah.
If you don't retain any memories from the past life, and you have a brand new body, but no memories of anything else, and no connection to the last life, and nobody knows who you were, how is that still you? I mean, what part of that is just your soul? It seems stupid to believe in a soul, but that soul each life forgets the whole, it retains no experience from being alive. It just redoes everything, clean slate. I mean, what kind of system is that?
I don't know.
And how could you possibly know that? How do you get that information?
The Dalai Lama.
The Dalai Lama. Hi, look at me. I'm a chubby guy in a robe with a flabby arm. I'm the Dalai Lama. Ooh, I'm so wise. Ooh, just sit and don't think, and all your problems will go away. That's my understanding of Buddhism. Today, on the Ojibwe Language and Culture podcast, we will discuss the limits and inconsistencies. What am I talking about?
Buddhism.
Of Buddhism, Taoism, feminism, racism, ismism, schismism. I don't know. I wanted to really be a Buddhist for a while.
Did you?
Yeah, I tried practicing sitting meditation. Ooh. That's what a lot of people don't know. You know, when people say Om, people don't sit and follow their breath and go Om, 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 Om. It's as long of a breath of a tone you can make. But, yeah, it never did anything for me.
Meditation?
Yeah. For a short time, and for me a long time, but for months, I practiced sitting meditation twice a day for 20 minutes at a time. Hoping it would, straighten me out. Ease my depression, my anxiety. Maybe free me from my addictions. Maybe cheer me up. I don't know. Anything. Any kind of self-improvement. Because that was the one thing all these guys, all these teachers, they always said. From different disciplines. If it was like a self-help thing.
Yeah.
They were always like, you gotta do this. Don't do this. Do that. But they all agreed. And, of course, sitting meditation is the foundation of everything. So I had to give it a try. But it did nothing for me. I mean, it made my legs fall asleep. Made me fall asleep sometimes, but I never, you know.
So therefore you deny the whole religion?
Yep, pretty much. So, in conclusion, kids, Dalai Lama's a fraud. Buddhism doesn't work. Meditation's a load of crap. And this has been Nubuakuin. Ogamakwe. Queen. When I was a little girl, there was a great band called Ogamakwe. Queen. And they wrote songs like We Will Rock You. And interestingly enough, we were just singing that song.
What song?
And another one's gone, another one's gone, another one bites the dust. Hey, it's gonna get the queen too. The queen has bitten the dust. Do, 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 do. Is that disrespectful?
Totally.
I don't mean to be disrespectful. Ogamakwe is queen. And today we recognize the passing of the lovely Queen Elizabeth, Queen of the monarchy of England. She lived her whole life and never found a king. Ogama, king. Poor old Queen was a lesbian.
No, she was married to Prince Philip.
Who?
Prince Philip.
Who's Prince Philip? You mean the guy from the tobacco cans?
No, there's a real Prince Philip. It was her husband.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, all this time I thought she was like a lesbian spinster.
Nope, I think she was married to a guy.
Well, how come he wasn't king of England?
I have no idea why.
Well, that sucks. He should have been the king.
Yeah.
Were they just friends with benefits?
I don't think so.
Do you think the queen had friends with benefits? Ogamakwe, queen. Ogama is a king. It's also our word for like chief or leader, chairman. The Ogama. And an Ikwe means a woman. So when you have a word like Ogama, you drop the I in Ikwe and you just slap the Kwe on there. And Ogama becomes Ogamakwe, queen. The Queen of England. On today's Ojibwe word of the day, we just want to send all of our Zaga Idiwin, all of our love, to the grieving family of Queen Elizabeth. I bet you that old Prince Harry's all torn up.
Should we give him a call?
You want to call Prince Harry?
We could.
Okay.
Hang on.
We're going to call Prince Harry, see how he's doing. I don't think Meghan cares at all.
You know what? It's going to be very awkward for her because she and the Queen didn't like each other.
Yeah.
All right, it's ringing. Hello, is this the Prince of whatever? Yeah, Prince Harry. How you doing? It's NanaBOOZHOO from the BOOZHOO, the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Yeah, we're on live right now. Yeah. Say, really sorry about your grandma there. Yeah, I know, it's tough. You want to be on the show? All right, hang on. Natasha wants to talk to you. Okay. All right, sweetie, the Prince of England. Prince Harry's on line 2.
Line 2. Hello, Prince Harry. Wait, let me get rid of this text. Hello, Prince Harry. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Oh, yes, hello, love.
Hi. Say, I'm so sorry to hear about your grandma.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, Natasha. It's a very sad time for me and my family, of course.
Yeah. How's Megan taking the news?
She's out celebrating, I'm afraid.
She's celebrating?
Yes, she was dancing through the streets, singing, La La, the Queen is dead, the Queen of
England is dead. She thought it was funny, and I'm afraid I can't find the humor.
No, that's not funny at all. Why would she do that?
Oh, she's a dreadful bore, I'm afraid.
It's worse than that.
Yes, I know. But, you know, my queen, my grandmom, she was quite elderly, and, you know, even though it's sad to say goodbye, I'm quite happy that she lived. I want to celebrate her life and not focus on her death so much.
Hey, yeah, what did kill her?
Megan put a pillow over her face, I'm afraid.
What?
Yeah, she snuck in there, put a pillow over the queen's face. She thought she was a racist then.
Wait, you're telling me Megan killed the Queen of England because she thought she was a racist?
Yes, she couldn't, you know, the queen couldn't shut up about calling my son the N-word. And I'm afraid my wife, Megan, finally had enough. She took a pillow and I'm afraid she snuffed out my grandma.
Are you kidding?
Yes, I kid, of course. I have a dark sense of humor, I'm afraid.
Yeah, I'll say.
Oh, wow.
Yikes. Okay. So none of that's real?
No, she died of natural causes, I believe. I don't know, I was nowhere to be found in my grandmom's last moments on this earth. I'm afraid I was out with me wife, and we were doing some sort of charity, I don't know what.
Yeah, weren't you chewing out people about climate change or something? Anyway. But regardless, I know it's tough to say goodbye to a grandma. And so just know that Nana Boozhoo and I are, you know, our hearts are with you. And, you know, I'll put out a little tobacco and wish your grandma's a good journey to the, you know, in Ojibwe.
Yes, love.
Our word for heaven, I mean, it's Abion, but our word for the afterlife is Gagikwe Mazina Igan. No, what is it? Minawanagozi Gay Winning. Minawanagozi Gay Winning. And it means the land of everlasting happiness. I'm sure your grandma's in the land of everlasting happiness.
Thank you so much, Natasha. That does warm my heart to hear you say such lovely things.
Yeah. Anyway, hang in there, and you know, I guess I'll go. Gigawaba men, Minawa.
Yes, Gigawaba men, Minawa, Natasha.
Poor old Harry.
Yeah. It was nice that you reminded him of the land of everlasting happiness.
Yeah. You know, if you're connected, these passings can be a joyous occasion. Especially when they live so long. You go, okay, come on. She wasn't going to live forever. You know? But I know there's a lot of people today throughout America. They're crying like the rain. And all these memories will wash away like tears in rain.
Natasha? Natasha!
Nah.
Oh, I thought you had died.
Yeah. That's from Blade Runner.
Yeah. Did you know when David Bowie's brother died?
Yeah. Terry?
Yeah. He didn't go to the funeral. He just sent flowers. And on the card, he wrote just what you just said.
He quoted Blade Runner?
Yeah. He quoted the movie Blade Runner in his card to his brother.
Why didn't he go to the funeral?
He said there'd be too much press.
That sounds like a cop-out.
Yeah.
And all these memories will be washed away like tears in rain. Anyway, you want to get up here? Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody! I'm going to let NanaBOOZHOO get on his own show here. But we have a really great song for you today. Oh, this song is dedicated to the Queen of England, Yoga McQuay, Liz. Lizzie, Queen of England, may you have a good journey. May you fly by night. We recorded this with Michael Lyons. Oh, I didn't introduce you. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Hey, everyone.
The other night, NanaBOOZHOO and I and Michael Lyons got together and we recorded a song by Rush. This is Fly by Night Away from Here. And that's what I think Queen Elizabeth is doing, huh, Michael?
That's right.
Flying by night for Queen Elizabeth. I wonder if Elton John's going to dust off Candle in the Wind again.
Yeah, no doubt he'll milk that.
And it seems to me you lived your life and you fly by night. No.
Learned it and I like playing it. This is Rush.
Oh, not again.
Fly by night, because that's what we're doing tonight. We're flying by night by the seat of our pants. Why try? No, why? This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming, I just can't pretend. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. No fright or hindsight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Start a new chapter, find what I'm after. It's changing every day. Change of the seasons, enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand, my life begins today. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Yeah. All right. Fly by night with the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons has books for sale on Amazon.com. We've got to clean up this source toolbar thingy, Michael. What do you mean? There's way too many things here. I can't even begin to navigate through. Why do we have to have a picture of every book you've ever published? I don't know, just in case we want to talk about it. Michael Lyons has books like Ojibwe Words and Phrases, Rockstar Cartoonist, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, Grief Relief, OJIBERISH, Little Cutie, A coloring book. Dog in my ingun. Mixed blood. Hikes, Michael. Did a lot of drawing for a while there. I guess. And, believe it or not, more books for sale at Amazon.com. But after today, I'm gonna get rid of all those. We can talk about one book a day. We'll have to look it up and do it separately. Because oh, here it is. Order Ojibwe language books and comics by Michael Lyons at Amazon.com. You'll notice he doesn't say please. It's just kind of an order. Do it now. And also, in addition to that, you can support us at PayPal, Patreon, and in addition, GoFundMe. And this is the only thing you really get out of it, you go to our Patreon page, we'll send you a copy of Ojibwe words and phrases. $10 a month for the rest of your life. You get one book that costs less than $10. So you can be dumb and do that. Hey, don't say that. But if you sign up for $20 a month, get a subscription. Oh, all the extra stuff you get. That's what I hate. I hate YouTube channels that go, hey, for subscribers, we got some really cool stuff that these losers on YouTube don't get to see. You know, the good show. No, everything we do here. But we'll send you a copy of Dog in My Ingun by Michael Lyons and a coffee mug that's very expensive with our pictures on it that we keep forgetting to use. Did I just drink out of your cup?
I think you did.
It's pretty cold.
Yeah. Want me to go make some more?
Nah, I'll make some after the show.
Okay.
How you guys doing? Why am I so, get straightened out here. Fly by night away from... Boy, the rain's just not letting up, is it?
No, it's going to rain all day.
Gabe Nungum?
All day.
Gabe is like the whole extent of Gakina. No, what is it? Why is Gabe?
You're thinking of Cabacona.
Oh, right. Gabe Kona. Gabe is all, or the extent, or the end of something. I don't know. But on today's Ojibwe language and culture, I would like to tell the story. Actually, you know what, sweetie?
What's that?
Can you teleport me someplace that's not so rainy and depressing?
Yeah, you want to go someplace and put out your tobacco?
Yeah, that's a good idea. How about someplace, where the sun's shining?
I got just the place.
I'm going to teleport out to someplace where I can say a prayer.
All right, you ready?
I am ready, sweetheart.
1 to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1. Because that's what you are, sweetie. You're my number 1.
No, get out of here.
Oh, yeah. This is nice.
Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, did you make it out there okay?
Yeah, the sun's shining. Where am I?
I set you down in Yosemite National Park.
Yosemite National Park. This is sweet. Yeah, it's not raining here today.
No.
So today, all right. Well, I'll give you a call when I want you to pick me up.
Roger that. Over and out.
Over and out.
Boop, boop, boop.
All right. Get some tobacco. A little pinch of Asema. Get your manadu, Great Spirit. Accept my tobacco. Odapanan. Niwi Asema. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech, Kaiji, Gakina Gegu. Gakina Gegu, everything. Kaiji, Chikean, Nungo. That you do, Chikean, Nungum. And Miigwech for my life. Thank you for my life. Miigwech, Kaiji, Madaziyan. Thank you for this day. Miigwech, Kaiji Gijakak. Miigwech, for listening. Thank you for listening. Miigwech, Gabizandawiyeg. Amen. Apeyenge. Boozhoo, B'nai Shiag. Hello, birds. Boozhoo, Sabe. If you're out there, Sabe means Bigfoot. Boozhoo, Sabe, Sabe. He's not going to come. I don't know any Sabe calls. It's not like I got a duck call. I can just blow on something, make the ducks come. Okay. What can I say about anything? Today is Ojibwe Words, the 5th day. Where you go get a 5th of Jack Daniels, slam it down. It's Friday. Got Friday on my mind. Thank goodness it's Friday. TGI Friday. I wonder if that's still a restaurant. When I was a beer drinker, I used to know about things like happy hour. I used to know about things like TGIF or whatever. Oh, Wednesdays are Wild Wing special nights. Alcoholics learn about which bars offer happy hour hors d'oeuvres. We'll get some hot dogs and barbecue sauce, some chicken wings in the nice places. But they get their money back by charging, $10 for a beer. I don't think Bemidji has many bars that do that. I don't know. But it's been a while since I've had the pleasure of destroying my liver. It's September 9th in a couple of days. Tomorrow is September 11th Eve. Like Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is September 11th Eve. Some of you kids won't know about this, but back in the days of their grandfathers, I'll probably talk about it more on Sunday. Something happened. And America never got over it. And I'm pretty sure Donald Trump had something to do with it. You see, Donald Trump wanted to have the tallest building in the city. It was always important to Donald Trump. If you don't know who Donald Trump is, he was a man who was on a reality show called The Apprentice. And he was always firing people. And people really really loved him, thought he was funny, and really hated him. Took him very seriously. And the country got divided. That was before Joe Biden saved the soul of the country. You see, countries have singular souls. But Donald Trump was always building great buildings, skyscrapers, and casinos. And he always write his name on it, Trump. It'd be the Trump Towers or whatever. So he devised a plan. He conspired. I have a theory that he conspired. And faked an attack. I mean, I think it was, obviously it was an attack. But Donald Trump's dad or uncle or something was best friends with Nikola Tesla. And Nikola Tesla invented a whole bunch of stuff that the government never let us know about. Free energy. I don't know if he invented it or if he just presented it. You know, all this technology we used to have that got forgotten about. Technology like how to pulverize a building into dust. There's a weapon that can turn rock into dust. You know, it's just like science fiction where they got the pulverizer or whatever. You know, you set your phaser, you can set it to stun. That's just like a, you know, a stun gun or whatever. What's that thing cops have that they shock people with? Like, I'm gonna stun gun you. Whatever. But you can set your phaser to not just pulverize, to like vaporize or something. Change matter from solid into vapor. And that's how they got rid of all the old buildings so quickly. All the Roman buildings that were still in North America. They destroyed them all. Said there was a fire that burned them, but what they did, they took this weapon that could change buildings. And we saw it happen on September 11th, where they just fell. But they said, oh yeah, a plane flew into that and turned it into dust. Because, kids, in physics, when planes hit skyscrapers, they don't just bounce off. They fly in, gas catches the office papers and file cabinets on fire, and they explode, and it turns the whole building into dust. And they threw Stephen Hawking out the window. You saw that in the cover of that one picture. Stephen Hawking, they just dumped him out of his wheelchair. That was mean. It was all done. Donald Trump stood there in the ashes with his hands on his hips, laughing. Ha ha. They called up his buddy, Jay Silverstein. He was the one who said, let's pull it on Tower 7, the third tower that turned to dust nobody talks about 20 years later. And no plane hit. That turned to dust too. By Jay Silverstein or whatever. He was Donald Trump's friend. And Donald Trump called him up and said, hey, guess what? I got the tallest building in New York City now. Yeah. See you on the golf course. No, he didn't run for cover. He wasn't afraid that there might be more attacks. He knew the attacks were over. How did Donald Trump know nobody was going to come after the next tallest building on that day? Oh, he was fine. He wasn't even scared. Called up his friend. Made an observation about how he now... Why would you think of that? So, I don't think I'll be voting for Donald Trump next time. I can't vote for somebody who was responsible for 9/11. Well, the funny thing is, I feel comfortable saying that on YouTube. I feel comfortable accusing the former president of terrorism. I don't think I'll get censored for that. But I think if I said anything that, if I said other stuff about 9/11, it would get taken down. You can't say some stuff unless you're saying certain things. Is what I'm led to believe, but we'll see. They don't usually take my stuff down. But anyway, I sure hope somebody doesn't fly a plane into this tree. I'd hate to see this tree fall down into its footprint. You know, like skyscrapers. Okay. What do you think, Beneshiag? Who do you think did 9/11? Queen of England? Well, I guess we'll never know now because it's too late. Because she passed away. Yeah, last night. Yesterday afternoon or something. You didn't know? Oh, I'm so sorry. No, don't cry. Yeah, no. Wow. Yeah, I guess I thought you knew. No, she's dead. Marilyn Merkel? No, she had nothing to do with it. Yeah, I heard that too, that she put a pillow over her face and killed her for calling her son the N-word. No, I don't think that's true. I think that was a conspiracy theory started on the internet. Yeah. Yep, she's dead. Da, 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 la, la, la. Witch, old witch, the wicked witch. No. Yeah, I gotta go back. Alright, yeah, I'll see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Beneshiag. Birds. You didn't know that Queen was... I think that was a bearer of bad news there. The birds hadn't heard that Queen Elizabeth had started her journey. That's what we call it. We started our journey. Oh, there you go. I suppose I better mosey on. It's time to mahjong. It's time to leave. Majah. Leave. But I'll call the old lady. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What's going on? Can you pick me up? Okay, hang on. Where are you? I gotta get the truck keys. No, will you pick me up with the teleporter? Oh, of course. That'd be so much easier. One to teleport. Make it so, number one. Nah. Where am I? Oh, for crying out loud. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Sweetie. Where are you? You teleported me to the Madudis one. To the sweat lodge. Oh, did I? I was trying to bring you home. Yeah, I know. Okay, hang on. Let me lock it onto your coordinates. Alright. Don't move. I won't. And that's one to teleport. And again, we gotta clean up our stuff. I know. It's ridiculous. Make it so, number one. There you are. Ah, I made it. Yeah. Thing is, we've got a whole on this our little computer program here. You can line up stuff like text and video and whatever. But if you get too many things on the toolbar, then you can't navigate. And you know what else? What's that? Because we updated OBS,
Yeah.
now the text is all bigger, so that not as many lines will fit on there.
Oh, that makes for a really interesting podcast, doesn't it?
Don't you get sarcastic with me. Anyway, you guys don't want to hear about this. So what else is going on, sweetie?
Not much. You got plans for today for us?
Well, since I am the alpha male of the house, and I wear the pants in the family,
I'm wearing a skirt.
yeah, I will make the decisions. Today, we gotta eat something for breakfast.
You want to run to Country Kitchen?
Nah, I don't want to go to Country Kitchen anymore.
Why not?
Number one, I think there's people who watch our show at Country Kitchen.
No, there is not.
Yeah, I'm starting to get a feeling like they know who we are there.
Yeah.
And I got a weird vibe from one of the kitchen staff on the street the other day.
Really?
Yeah, you know that fat, greasy guy?
Yeah.
So I was walking up and down the road here. I got the old, he wouldn't look at me, just stared ahead, pretended I wasn't there. I'm sitting there smiling, waiting to nod, and I didn't get the look. He snubbed me.
You got snubbed?
Yeah, I felt kind of snubbed. So now I don't want to go, I don't trust his food. If he's willing to snub me on the street, you know, is he putting a booger in a guacamole?
I don't know.
But we could go to Perkins or something.
Yeah, we go to Perkins. We could take the pickup to Perkins.
Maybe we'll go to Perkins. We can go to Perkins and watch the show on the phone.
That's a good idea.
There we go. We got a plan. It's time for a little restaurant breakfast. We'll get the Grand Slam breakfast at whatever that restaurant was.
Yeah.
Anyway. All right, Michael, you got anything you want to add? No, that's pretty good. Okay. Hey, everybody. I want to say miigwech. Gabiz dawieg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech. Gana wabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture, sweetie.
That's right, baby doll, you tell him.
I am NANABOOZHOO. This over here is the lovely and the talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. And I'll see you again. Gigawaba min Minawa.
And this over here is Michael Lyons, rockstar cartoonist. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I will see you again. Gigawaba min Minawa. Here's a song dedicated to Michael's grandparents. Miigwech. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said I'm going home.